Mabalaman sa kanilang mga trabaho ang mag-asawa, sinisigurado naman daw nila na may oras sila para sa isa't isa. Bago pa man dumiretso sa kanilang destinasyon, sinilip muna ng mag-asawa ang pinapaayos na lanay ng bahay. Balak nilang paikutan pa ng sliding doors ang parting ito at paggawan ng mini fitness gym ang isang bahagi. Sunod na naming binisita si Commissioner Henares sa kanyang tanggapan sa Bureau of Internal Revenue sa Quezon City. Sa dami raw ng bagay na dapat asikasuhin sa ahensya, kulang daw ang isang araw sa kanya para gawin ang lahat ng mga ito.
Well, this is my room, no? The main room. There's 3 desks, basically 2 conference table and 1 office table. But normally I do my work in the conference table because there's so many paperwork and doing it's more convenient to lay it down on the desk. Usually I have meetings, so I use the conference table. Well, this is a replica of a tabor, no? It's made by Israel Weapon Industries. It's not a real gun, but it's an exact replica of a assault rifle. It was given as a Christmas gift.
No, but during weekends, what do you do on weekends?
Shooting, firing, yeah. Go out with my husband, bonding. The gun part, I started only shooting February 2011.
Okay.
I never shot before. Although my husband used to shoot air guns, no? But I never shot before. The only reason why I picked up shooting is because when I became BIR commissioner, the president assigned PSG's guard to me. No? So I said, at least I should be able to help them if something happens. No? I should not be a liability. No? So I said I should learn how to shoot their gun. That's the reason why I picked up shooting.
And how many guns do you own now?
A lot.
A lot, as in? May mga high-powered ba? Mga malalaking mga baril?
Assault rifle, yeah.
Really?
Niloloko ko na sila. Condition ako today. Fight siya.
Tulad raw ng pagsapul niya sa bullseye, alam niya kung saan patungo ang bawat balang binibitiwan niya. Target ng ahensya sa taong ito, ang 1.006 trillion na koleksyon sa buwis o lagpas kalahati ng annual budget requirement ng bansa. Bagay na lubos nila pinagsisikapan. What are your immediate plans for the BIR at present?
Well, we're doing a lot of things in the BRR. We're re-engineering our processes, no? So that they don't even have to leave their offices or their house to do things with us, no? We are more computerized than most bureau or most government agency. We're enhancing those systems, no? So that seamless end-to-end, you don't really have to come to us. We will be, you do it in your house, in your office. We will deliver. You just pay a fee, no? So you don't have to come to the office and wait and all those things. No? At the same time, because we're doing that, we are also making sure all data are gathered properly. We have all the data so that we can monitor properly. Now, my advocacy really is really, first and foremost, all of us, being Filipinos, should love our country. No? When we love our country, we follow our laws, including the tax laws, no? Then we will pay the right taxes.